Kaya ang buhay ko ngayon balat
Love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen.
Love you, Tito Sen.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen! At tuloy ang Monday
And here we go again as we celebrate the special birthday of our respected Senator, Tito Soto, right here on Batang Balaga Comedy. Of course, our Eat Balaga, DeBarkins wouldn't miss this chance to bring us a little joy and send their warm birthday wishes to Tito Sen. Without further ado, here are Jose Manalo, Wally Bayola, and Ian Red performing a song produced by Tito Sen and Sir Joey De Leon, who, fun fact, basically discovered Freddie Aguilar back in the day. Here is their rendition of the iconic song, Anak.
Oh, ano yun? Ano yun?
Di ba, mga anak?
Oh.
Nagle-labor. Fred, wala. Paano yun?
Eh, hindi naman nag-labor nanay ko sa akin.
Talaga.
Wait lang. Wala pa naman yung
Anak!
kanta.
Nung silang ka sa mundong ito, laking tuwa ng magulang mo. At ang kamay nilang ilaw, 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 ilaw. Ang daming ilaw, nakakasilaw. Ano yung ganon?
Flashlight, ilaw.
Ikaw, ano yung ganon?
Nasilaw ako.
Ako gumaganon.
Ano yun?
Eh, yung kamay ba nasa, yung ilaw nasa kamay, di ang init noon, ganon.
At ang nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ng gagawin. Minamasdan pati pagtulog mo. Yan, bata yan.
Natutulog.
Alam ko yan, tutulog. Ikaw, ayun, ganyan.
Eh, walang tiwala yung magulang ko sa akin eh. Kaya nakaganon. Pinagmamasdan pati pagtulog
So,
ko.
bata ka pa lang,
Binabantayan?
wala nang tiwala sa'yo.
Hindi alam ang gagawin. Gano'n nga ako, di ba?
Kaya ka ginaganon kasi wala siyang tiwala.
Oo.
Tapos kami pa.
That was before.
Okay, before. Minamasdan pati pagtulog mo. At sa gabi napupuyat ang iyong... Sa'yo. At sa gabi napupuyat ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Siyempre, sinishake mo na yung bottle.
Ano yung ginawa na to?
Wala pa nga ito. Pupunta nga ito sa... At sa gabi natupuyat ang iyong nanay.
Ako na magpapaliwanag.
Ano mo?
Yung nanay niya napupuyat sa paglipad eh.
Paano na? Nag-text ba, bossing? Dito, sir?
Ano sabi, bossing?
Parang daming notif eh.
Thank you for your service.
Service again.
Si, at nalaman mo
Malaman mo, ikay...
ay isang kalbo.
Oy, patikat.
Pinakatikit to. Grabe ka na.
Secure.
I know you all definitely enjoyed the fun and hilarious energy of those three. Now, let's turn the spotlight over to our singing queens, Jin, Sam, and KZ as they revive another classic hit. Here is their take on the disco track Kiss, Kiss by VST and Company, originally composed by Vic Sato, with lyrics by Vic Sato and Joey De Leon.
Kiss, kiss, let's go dancing. Kiss, kiss, gawin na natin. Kiss, kiss, sabay na tayo nang sumarap ang saya. I wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. I wanna kiss you too. Sabay tayo sa ating galaw.
Grabe naman. Bitin. Bitin naman.
Wow, now you know that Bossing Vic and the Henyo Master were the creative minds behind that hit song. And coming up next,
Next song naman natin mga Dabarkads, isa sa mga kinakanta ni Tito Sen to. Kasi si Tito Sen, Gen Z at heart. Ito na sila Karen, Miles, and Riza, and Maine for Die With A Smile.
Yan.
Go, go guys. Support kami sa'yo, Karen.
I just woke up from a dream, but you and I to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Damn it, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. I wanna be next to you.
Happy birthday!
all right, now we're getting to the most exciting part of the celebration. But before anything else, Bruno Mars has such an incredible song, no wonder Tito Sen loves it too. Special thanks to Miles Ocampo, Reza May Dizon, Karen Eistrup, and Maine Mendoza for that awesome performance. Now, moving on to our next act. The classic OPM hit Balat Kayo, famously recorded by Anthony Costello in 1978, was written and composed by Tito Sato III and Joey De Leon, with Tito Sato writing the lyrics and both of them collaborating on the music. Let's check it out. And now let's welcome Roel Carino Balat Kayo.
Balat kayo lahat, ang buhay sa mundo, nakangiti kahit hindi totoo. Magandang bulaklak ang siyang, ngunit paglapit ko'y walang bango. Sabihin niyo ako, balat kayo pala ang pag-ibig mo, na natubog lang sa ginto. O sayang lang ang pag-ibig ko. Balat kayo lahat, ang buhay sa mundo, nakangiti kahit magandang pangarap ang siyang katulad mo, ngunit sa isip lang lahat ng ito. Balat kayo pala ang pag-ibig mo, nasayang lang ang pag-ibig ko. Kaya ang buhay ko ngayon, balat kayo.
Thank you po. Happy birthday, Tito Sen. Love you.
Now, are you all ready for our next performers? Of course you are, you're always ready. And as we all know, TVJ wouldn't be complete without the iconic duo who are always by our birthday boy Tito Sen's side. So, here are Bossing Vic and the Pinoy Henyo Master, Joey De Leon, performing Ikaw Lang Hanga King Mahal.
Itanong mo sa
Akin. Pwede ba kami lang? Sino ang aking mahal?
Iyan mo na kumanta ka.
Pwede sa babae, pwede sa babae.
Itanong mo sa akin, sagot ko di magtatagal.
Ikaw lang ng aking mahal. Ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan. Isa lang ang damdamin, ikaw ang aking mahal. Maniwala ka sana, sa akin ay walang iba. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan. Ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman. Sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, sa silangan kahit saan pa man, ang aking isisigaw. Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman. Sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, sa silangan kahit saan pa man, ang aking isisigaw. Tito Sen, ikaw ang aming mahal. Happy birthday, Tito Sen.
What an incredible lineup of performances. Once again, a very happy birthday to our beloved Tito Sen. Thank you so much to all our Debarkins for celebrating this special day with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all the fun here on Batang Balaga. See you on the next episode, Debarkins.